Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
वेगवेगळ्या कारणांक लागून दक्षिण गोंयच्या कोमुनिदादीन मॅनेजिंग कमिटीची वेंचणूक घेवंक नाशिल्ली. हाका लागून तांकां कोमुनिदाद इन डिफॉल्ट म्हूण डिक्लेअर करपाचें आसलें. पूण कोमुनिदादीच्या वांगड्यांनी हे थारावणेक विरोध उक्तायलो. परत वेंचणूक घेवची म्हूण वांगड्यांनी प्रशासनाक मागणी घातली. ह्या फाटभुंयेर प्रशासनान कोमुनिदादीक 2 आठवड्याची मुजत दिवन लेखी स्वरुपान कितें तें कळोवचें म्हूण सांगलां. 22 जुलयाक ह्या संदर्भात परत बसका घेतले म्हूण प्रशासनान कळयलां.
There were a lot of errors in the scheduling. We had already filed our objections earlier, and that is the reason why many of the comitas could not could not convene for the election. They could not have sufficient quorum. Then many of the elections was scheduled by neighboring comitas or comitas in the vicinity were held on the same day, so people could not be present in 2 places at the same time. There are people who are ready and willing to take over the responsibilities of the managing committee, and we have they have also given their willingness, or they will be giving their willingness now. We have given him an option that you hold a fresh election. We will ensure that there is a quorum in all these 30 comitas and the managing committees are elected. Here the administrator was kind enough to give us time. He has given us 2 weeks time to make additional written submissions should we so desire, and he has fixed the meeting, if I am not mistaken, on the 22nd of July for a final hearing before he makes his recommendations to the government.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.